Hello everyone, Richa Gupta, your mentor, guide and coach of learning English grammar. Welcome to my channel. This is VR English classes and we are here to build your foundation in English grammar. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and be sure to click the bell icon so that you get the notification of my latest updates. Thank you so much. Now let's move on to today's topic. Table of tenses. Tenses are divided in three parts: present tense, past tense and future tense. Number 1, present tense. But further, present tense divided in 4 parts. Number 1, simple present. Number 2, present continuous. Number 3, present perfect. And number 4, present perfect continuous. So first we take simple present, or we can say also present indefinite. So every tense has 3 parts: affirmative, negative and interrogative. So first, affirmative. In affirmative there is a singular number, he, she, it, any name and singular noun. Okay, and this is the formula of the simple present tense: subject plus V first plus SES plus object. Okay, and this is the example: he walks. He is the subject and walks is verb, and we use S in singular verb in simple present tense. In simple present tense we use S or ES in the verb, but only in singular number. Okay, and second example is he plays, he works and Rahul speaks English. Okay, so these 4 are the example of simple present in affirmative. Okay, now negative sentence. In negative sentence, singular number are the same: he, she, it, any name or singular noun, and the formula is subject. We use does not for in negative sentence. We use does not, and then we don't use S or ES in negative sentence. Okay, and then object. You can see the example: he does not go to Delhi, she does not go to picnic, Ram does not tell a lie. These 3 are the example of negative sentence in simple present tense. And then interrogative sentence: singular number, he, she, it, any name, singular noun. The formula is we use does before the subject. So does, then subject, then V first and then object, and we use question mark at the end of the sentence. And actually interrogative sentence are 2 types: number 1 and number 1 yes no answer type, and number 2 question word question. So this is the B number, question word. QW means question word. Question words are when, where, why, how, what. These are the question words. And then does, then comes does, then subject, then V first and object. Okay, so this is the interrogative sentence. These are the example of interrogative sentence. Number 1, does she love her school? Number 2, does she not love her school? This is the interrogative sentence and also negative sentence. This is only the interrogative sentence. Now third, why does she not love her school? Okay, so this is the interrogative sentence, B type of interrogative sentence. Okay, so these are the simple present tense in singular number. But when comes plural number, so in plural number, these are the plural number: I, we, you, they, plural noun. These are the plural number, and formula is subject V first and object. We don't use S or ES in verb in plural number. This is the important point. We don't use S or ES in plural number. Okay. Now this is the example. Formula are same, but the difference is we don't use S or ES in verb. Now this is the example. These are the example. Number 1, I play. We don't use S or ES. I play. You teach me the lesson. We play. They sing the song. His friends play the hockey. So these are all the plural number. I, you, we, they, his friends. Okay. So we don't use S or ES in the verb. Okay. Now plural number, but in negative sentence. Plural number are the same. I, we, you, they. Plural number, plural noun, any. The formula is subject, but in negative sentence we use do not. In singular number we use does not, but in plural number we use do not. Then we first and then object. You can see the example. I do not go outside. We do not play cricket. You do not speak the truth. These are the example of plural number in negative sentence. Okay. We use do not, do not, do not. Now plural number in interrogative sentence. Plural number are same. I, we, you, they. Plural noun. Number 1. These are the same. 2 types. Question word question and yes no answer type and question word question. So formula is we use, but only the difference is in singular number we use does and in plural number we use do. So do subject plus we first plus object. Okay. And question word question word plus do plus subject plus we first plus object. Okay. So these are the example. Do you help the poor? Do you not help the poor? Do I read my book? Why do you read my book? All these are the plural number and we use do before subject. In interrogative we use do or question word. So these are the interrogative sentence in plural number. So this is all about. I hope you can understand it, and if you have any queries then do let me know in the comment section, and if you like it then click the button like, and thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay healthy always, because you deserve it.